Hello, in this video I want to show you how to read your Facebook ad correctly. If you open to your ad manager account and you want to kind of read how your ad is performing, if you look at it, it's not everything that is available here. Look at it now. You see, it's not all the data that are available. So I'm going to show you how to bring other things that are hidden. So what we are going to do is you click on this blue icon, you click on it, then you click on customize column, then it is going to expand and bring other data that are hidden. Now if you want to know how many clicks you have, you simply click on this click, then you check this. You can check this unique click, then you can scroll down and check cost per link click. So with this you'll be able to know how much you are paying per click. Then you can also check this cost per unique click. Then another useful one that you may need is video view. That's if it is a video, if your ad is a video, then you simply select all these so that you'll be able to know how many people actually view your video, how many view to 100%. This helps you to know how your ad is performing, how many people view at 95%, how many people view at 75%, and all of that. Then let's go down a little bit. Then here you'll be able to know how many sales Facebook have recorded for you. You check only this box. Then here you'll be able to know whether you are having profit. ROAS means return on ad spend. So you are going to check this one. Then let's look for other ones. Okay, this is another important one. We have leads. How many people have opted into your email list? Very important. Then another one is landing page views. Very important one again. So if you have checked those ones that are important to you, then there is another one that is important that I've not checked yet. That is content view. Okay, content view, very important. Those people that have visited your landing page, you want to know the number of them. It helps you to account for how your ad is performing. Now once you have selected all that, you will see apply here. If you apply it here, it is going to appear in your ads manager. But for me, I would like to save this preset so that next time I wouldn't have to be going through all of this all over again. So I want to save it. If you want to save it as a preset, you will check this box and you are going to give it a name. Let me give it a name as team 1 or 2, because I already have a preset, but I did this for the purpose of this tutorial. So once you have given it a name like this, you hit apply and that preset is saved. So now if you scroll this down, now you will see that other data have come up. You can see this link clicks was not there before, so you can now know that the number of clicks you have. From here we see 14 clicks here, we have 158 clicks, we have 2 clicks here. So this will help you to know how your ad is performing, and you will be able to either pause the ad or adjust the ad. It's very, very important. Then if you go, this one tells you how much you are paying per unique link click. How much are you paying per click? This is what helps you to tell. This is how much you are paying per click, all these. Then this unique link click is for a unique click. That is for one single person's click, because one person can click twice, but this unique click record only one person per time. So if one person clicks on 2 times, it is this unique link click that will tell you how many unique click you have. Then let's go further. If we go further, you see TruePlay. TruePlay is people that watch your video to 15 seconds. In most cases, they are more in number than the people that watch it to 100% or 95%. You can see this one, 14 people watch it to 100%, 16 people watch it to 95%. So as you are going up like that, that is how the number will be decreasing. Then another important one is purchases. This is where it will record your purchase if you have a sale. Then this return on ad spend will record your profit, whether you have profit from the money you are spending on ad. This is what to tell you. Very important. Then list will tell you how many people have opt into your email list. This is where you get the data from. You can see I have 2 lists here and so on and so forth. Then landing page are people that visited your landing page. You'll be able to know how many people visited your landing page, so that you will either adjust your ad or pause it or stop it completely or add more money or scale it. So very, very important. And if for instance I close this window, let me close this window again and log in again. Okay, now I want to log into my ad manager again and see how it is going to appear. Okay, now you look at it, now you see that what we have done before is no longer here. It has gone. It has returned back to the default display. This is how it displays normally. So how do you bring it up? Your preset. How do you bring your presets up? You simply click on this drop down and you go down to the last part here. This is the one the preset we have just saved. So you simply click on it. So if you click on it, it will bring up all the settings you have done before. As simple as that. So you'll be able to know how your ad is performing. Alright, I hope this video helps you, and if it does, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also try and give me a video review so that this course will be able to reach other people. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video. Bye.